What if your glasses did more than just help you see? What if they could connect you to your digital world instantly, hands-free, stylish, and smarter than ever before? Let's explore the top smart glasses that are turning that vision into reality. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description below, which are updated for the best prices. Number 5. Amazon Echo Frames 3rd Generation. Coming in at number 5, this model blends the convenience of Alexa with a subtle, everyday glasses design. What really stands out is how naturally it fits into daily life, letting you take calls, hear notifications, control smart home devices, or even get weather updates hands-free, all while looking like a regular pair of glasses. The open-ear audio has been improved compared to previous versions, delivering clearer sound with less audio leakage. It's a solid step forward from the 2nd generation in both battery life and voice detection. While the volume doesn't quite compete with models focused more on entertainment or spatial audio, it works well for casual music, podcasts, and voice responses on the go. Comfort-wise, it's lightweight and comes in multiple frame styles, including prescription-ready options, which adds a lot of flexibility for everyday users. However, since there's no display or AR feature here, it leans more toward being an audio-first wearable rather than a full smart glass experience, especially compared to others on this list offering visual overlays or camera functions. Still, for users embedded in the Alexa ecosystem or those wanting a discrete entry point into smart eyewear, this is a reliable and low-key option that prioritizes practicality over flash. Number 4. XREAL One. Jumping from audio-focused wearables to something far more immersive, this next entry shifts the spotlight to visual innovation. If you've ever wanted a cinema-like experience that fits in your pocket, this one might just be your gateway into the world of AR entertainment. With a solid 4.1-star rating and over 1,000 units sold on Amazon just last month, it's clear that users are responding positively to what this device brings to the table, and it's easy to see why. What you get here is a pair of lightweight smart glasses that project a massive virtual screen right in front of your eyes. Whether you're watching movies on a flight, gaming at a cafe, or setting up a secondary screen for your laptop, it transforms your environment in an instant. The visuals are powered by sharp micro-OLED displays, offering crisp detail, deep contrast, and surprisingly low latency. Compared to earlier iterations, this model feels more refined, lighter, better balanced, and much easier to wear for long stretches. It's also impressively versatile, with plug-and-play support for Android phones, PCs, and even gaming consoles like the Steam Deck or Nintendo Switch via USB-C. However, there are a few limitations to consider. Since there's no built-in battery, you'll need to stay connected to your device, which could be a drawback for those seeking complete wireless freedom. There are also no integrated speakers or advanced control features like eye tracking or gestures. This model keeps things simple and focused, but for users who care more about visual quality and portability than smart assistant functions or all-day wear, this is one of the most accessible and entertainment-friendly AR glasses available right now. It's a clear step up in functionality compared to audio-first models, and a solid choice for anyone ready to explore immersive content without diving too deep into bulky headsets or complex ecosystems. Number 3. Rayban Meta Glasses. Stepping into the top 3, we encounter a pair of smart glasses that seamlessly blend iconic fashion with cutting-edge technology. These glasses have garnered significant attention, boasting a 4.1-star rating on Amazon and over 1,000 units sold last month, reflecting their growing popularity among consumers. At first glance, they maintain the classic Ray-Ban aesthetic, offering over 150 style variations across 2 frame styles, 7 colors, and multiple lens options, including prescription and transitions. However, beneath this timeless design lies a suite of advanced features. Equipped with 12-megapixel cameras and a 5-microphone array, they enable hands-free photo and video capture, live streaming to platforms like Facebook and Instagram, and clear audio for calls. A standout feature is the integration of Meta AI, which allows users to interact with the glasses using voice commands. This AI can provide real-time information about the user's surroundings, translate speech in multiple languages, and even assist with tasks like remembering where you parked your car. The Look and Ask functionality combines visual input with AI to identify objects, translate signs, and more. Despite these advancements, there are areas where the glasses could improve. Some users have reported that the AI's performance can be inconsistent, particularly with complex queries. Additionally, the battery life may not suffice for extended use throughout the day, though the charging case offers multiple recharges. Privacy concerns have also been raised due to the subtlety of the recording indicator light, which may not be easily noticeable to others. In summary, these smart glasses offer a compelling mix of style and functionality, making them an attractive option for those seeking to integrate technology seamlessly into their daily lives. While there are some limitations to consider, their innovative features and classic design earn them a solid spot in our top 5. Number 2, RayNeo Air 3S. Securing the number 2 spot, this model has been making waves in the AR glasses market. With a 4.9-star rating on its official website and a price tag of $269, it's gaining traction among consumers seeking high-quality yet affordable smart glasses. What sets this model apart is its impressive display technology. Featuring a 201-inch virtual screen powered by HuView Micro OLED technology, it delivers vibrant colors and deep contrast, making it ideal for immersive gaming, movie watching, or productivity tasks. The glasses also boast a 3,840 Hz PWM Opticare system, reducing eye strain during extended use. Audio quality hasn't been overlooked either. Equipped with dual acoustic chambers, the glasses provide clear and immersive sound, enhancing the overall user experience. Their lightweight design ensures comfort, even during prolonged sessions. However, it's worth noting that these glasses require a tethered connection to a device, as they lack a built-in battery. This could be a limitation for users seeking complete wireless freedom. Additionally, while the display is impressive, some users have reported minimal glare in dark scenes. Despite these minor drawbacks, this model offers exceptional value for its price point. For those seeking a high-quality AR experience without breaking the bank, it's a compelling choice that combines performance, comfort, and affordability. Number 1. VITURE Pro. Topping our list at number 1 is a pair of smart glasses that truly redefines what's possible in wearable technology. At the heart of this model is a stunning 135-inch virtual display, powered by Sony's Micro OLED technology. Boasting a 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 4,000 nits of brightness, the visuals are crisp, vibrant, and smooth, making it ideal for gaming, streaming, or productivity tasks. The Ultra Clarity feature ensures edge-to-edge sharpness, reducing eye strain and enhancing immersion. Audio quality is equally impressive thanks to the collaboration with Harman. The built-in speakers deliver rich, spatial sound, creating an immersive audio-visual experience. Additionally, the glasses feature myopia adjustments ranging from 0.00 diopters to -5.00 diopters, ensuring a comfortable fit for users with varying vision needs. One of the standout features is the electrochromic film, which blocks up to 99.5% of external light, allowing for use in various lighting conditions without the need for additional shades. The glasses are also compatible with a wide range of devices, including smartphones, laptops, and gaming consoles, via USB-C connection. However, it's worth noting that while the glasses offer a premium experience, they come at a higher price point compared to other models on this list. Additionally, some users have reported that the audio can be on the quieter side in noisy environments. With a 4.0-star rating on Amazon and over 1,000 units sold last month, it's clear that this device has captured the attention of consumers seeking a premium AR experience. In summary, this model offers a top-tier AR experience, combining cutting-edge display technology, superior audio, and versatile compatibility. For those seeking the best in smart glasses, this device stands out as a leading choice in 2025. That wraps up our countdown of the smartest, sleekest glasses leading the way this year. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on the latest in tech innovation. See you next time!